GPS video number 3, creating routes. What this video will cover is creating a route from a track, creating a route in Basecamp, creating a new route in Basecamp and converting it to a route, uploading a route to a GPS unit, and finally displaying that route on a GPS unit. The first method I want to talk about is converting an existing track into a route. Here we have a track that goes from Sicker Road. What I can do is just click on it to highlight it. I can then right click and select create a route from a selected track, and I have a choice there of doing it automatically, so it assigns points based on whether it's a straight line. It only assigns a couple points. A curve, it assigns more points. And you notice that it's done it, and over on the side, left side here, it now has a track and a route. You can tell the track by having, looks like 2 footprints. The symbol for route is different. What you should do is then rename that track, and let's call it Sicker Road. You can highlight it, and when you're connected to your GPS unit, you can go to Device, Send to Device, Send Selection to Device, and that will now be uploaded into your GPS unit. There is one problem with that method. The problem being is that if I want to deviate from that existing route, it is very difficult to create and edit that new route. The second method is you can create a route in Basecamp. The problem there is that it keeps on snapping to the roads all the time. I went online and they said what you should use is a direct, and when I do that, you'll notice that all of a sudden, boom, it snapped to the nearest road, and it has no relation to where you actually want it to go. The third method is to create a new track, and I can go along and click along the existing track here, getting rid of some of the little dips and curves, because I know this is one road and I don't have to click on every point. And once you've done that, you've created a new track, and therefore that is very easy then to once you've got that track corrected, to make a route out of that and then upload that route. Is you would go into route planner. That would then display all the different routes that you have in there, and the one that you just uploaded should be one of those. You then can go into view map, and it will show the route on your GPS unit. You would then press go, and it would then display where you are situated. Once you press X, it goes back to the main menu, and you're going to go to compass. And when you press compass, it will tell you direction you have to travel and how far it is to the next waypoint. Another method that works quite well is to change your track recording to red. If you went out a few weeks ago or a while ago and recorded a track, it would be displayed in your GPS unit in black. And if you wanted to follow that existing track, what you can do is change it to red, so you always know where you are. And you don't have black on black, you don't have black roads, black tracks. Now you have a red to follow the black. You would go into main menu, go into display. In display, go into color. In color, you pick a nice bright red. And now what you have on your GPS unit is as you travel along, you're leaving a red line, and you always know where you are that way.